At Toyota Orlando's Service Center, our goal is to get you back out on the road as quickly, efficiently, and affordably as possible. Here are some of the highlights you'll experience when you visit our state-of-the-art facilities. Our highly trained Toyota technicians work to give you the peace of mind you deserve, no matter what service or repairs your car needs. We offer competitive pricing, service specials, price matching, financing options, and more to keep your experience affordable. We're here extra long hours for your convenience, opening our doors at 6 a.m. Monday through Saturday and 7 a.m. on Sunday. We offer a huge variety of services, including Toyota scheduled maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations and service, tune-ups, transmission services, wheel alignments, brake service and repairs, and more. Additionally, we use top-of-the-line products for every service and repair we provide, so you can rest easy that your ride is reliable. And all of our services and repairs are guaranteed for 1 year or 12,000 miles. Don't forget to kick back and relax while you wait. You can enjoy free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, and a multitude of snacks and drinks from Mr. Toyota's Cafe. What are you waiting for? Get the best service in Central Florida today. Schedule your appointment with Toyota Orlando. We're located just off I-4 near the Millennium Mall at 3575 Island Road, and you can make your appointment online or by calling us at 407-298-0001.